Welcome to today's journey of starting from zero, a fresh beginning, and a path toward growth that will reshape your mindset and life. We'll explore this concept through the lens of Stoic wisdom, one of the most practical philosophies for overcoming life's challenges and embracing new starts. We all face moments when we have to rebuild, restart, or try something new, whether it's in business, relationships, or personal goals. The Stoics teach us that it's not the circumstances, but our response to them, that defines who we are. They believe that every hardship, failure, or setback is an opportunity for self-mastery and growth. In this video, we'll explore Stoic wisdom that can help you start from zero and turn challenges into advantages. To make it even more practical, we'll dive into real-life stories of great personalities who embraced this philosophy and started from nothing to achieve greatness. Let's dive in. The power of starting from zero. Starting from zero means embracing the opportunity to rebuild and rise again. Stoics believe that every moment in life offers a chance for a new beginning. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This means that when you start from zero, it's not the loss or failure that matters, but your ability to respond with clarity, focus, and perseverance. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, is a great example of someone who started from zero. After being ousted from the company he built, Jobs could have given up. But instead, he embraced the moment as an opportunity to start fresh. He founded Next and Pixar, both of which would later play pivotal roles in his return to Apple, where he revolutionized the tech world. Jobs took a setback and turned it into a leap forward. This mindset mirrors Stoic thinking, which is focusing on what's within our control, and not being defined by external failures. Starting from zero isn't a setback, it's an opportunity to rebuild. It's like a sculptor chiseling away at a block of stone, creating something beautiful from raw material. When we start from nothing, we have the freedom to shape our future without the constraints of previous expectations or failures. Control what you can, accept what you cannot. A key lesson from Stoicism is understanding the difference between what is within our control and what is not. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic emperor, reminded us you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. When starting from zero, we often focus on external factors: what we lost, what we don't have, or how we are judged by others. But the Stoics teach us to focus only on what we can control, that is our actions, thoughts, and mindset. Nelson Mandela offers a powerful example of this principle. Mandela spent 27 years in prison, but his ability to control his internal world, his thoughts, dignity, and sense of purpose helped him endure the hardships. Upon his release, he didn't hold on to bitterness or resentment. Instead, he focused on reconciliation and building a unified South Africa. Mandela's ability to control his response, even in the face of unimaginable adversity, reflects the Stoic idea that we can choose how to act, no matter the circumstances. When you start from zero, you have the opportunity to redefine your path by focusing on your actions. The key is not to obsess over what you don't control, but to dedicate your energy toward what you can change: your mindset, your learning, and your growth. The importance of virtue and character in building from zero. Stoicism teaches that virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance is the true measure of a person's worth. When starting from zero, we may lack material resources or external success, but our virtues are always with us. Abraham Lincoln is a profound example of a leader who built his life from nothing, driven by a deep sense of justice and personal integrity. Born in a log cabin and facing constant failures in his early career, Lincoln could have easily given up. But it was his commitment to the principles of justice and equality that drove him to eventually become the 16th President of the United States. His dedication to virtue, his sense of right and wrong, was what guided him through personal losses, political failures, and war. His story shows that no matter how humble your beginnings, your character is what determines the trajectory of your life. The Stoics believe that external success is fleeting, but virtuous living leads to lasting fulfillment. Starting from zero means focusing on building and embodying virtues that will guide you, regardless of external conditions. Perseverance through adversity. Growth comes from challenge. Perseverance is one of the most important qualities for anyone starting from zero. The Stoics teach us that adversity is not something to fear or avoid, but something to embrace. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This means that obstacles and setbacks are often the greatest opportunities for growth. Thomas Edison is a classic example of perseverance. Edison faced countless failures, including over 1,000 failed attempts at inventing the light bulb. When asked about his many failures, Edison famously replied, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work." His unwavering perseverance and his ability to treat setbacks as learning experiences is a hallmark of the Stoic mindset. Edison's story is a testament to how challenges and failures are stepping stones to innovation and success. When you start from zero, setbacks are inevitable. But each challenge you face is simply an opportunity to push forward, learn, and improve. The Stoic practice of turning obstacles into opportunities is not just a philosophical idea, it's a practical approach to life that has helped great individuals persevere through hardship. The role of reflection and self-awareness in the journey. A key element in starting from zero is taking time for reflection. The Stoics emphasize the importance of self-awareness, understanding your thoughts, actions, and motivations. Reflection allows us to learn from past experiences, improve, and steer ourselves toward our goals. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, often credits his success to the practice of self-reflection. Buffett has spoken about the importance of reading, reflecting on his mistakes, and learning from others. He says, "The most important thing to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging." By reflecting on his actions, Buffett has continually refined his approach to life and investing, moving from success to success. The Stoics use journaling and daily reflection as tools to maintain their focus on virtue and wisdom. When starting from zero, taking time to reflect on what went wrong, what went right, and how you can do better can provide critical insights for your future growth. The Stoic mindset for starting from zero. In conclusion, starting from zero is not about feeling defeated, it's about embracing a fresh beginning. By focusing on what you can control, cultivating virtue and character, and using adversity as fuel for growth, you are already on the path to success. The stories of great individuals like Steve Jobs, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Edison, and Warren Buffett show that it's not the lack of resources or external advantages that determine success, it's how you respond, persevere, and grow in the face of life's challenges. If this video has inspired you to start from zero or adopt the Stoic mindset in your own journey, leave a comment below. Share how you plan to apply Stoic principles to your life, or tell us about someone you admire who embodies these values. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and Stoic wisdom.